Monitor queues is technology software for a specific operational decision, continuously tracks and monitors queue buildup and resource contention patterns in real time. This video explains what the tool does, why the workflow matters, and how the output becomes useful decision evidence. Problem is that technology teams often manage this workflow with scattered inputs, inconsistent review rules, and manual interpretation. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Monitor queues narrows that process into a repeatable model so teams can compare cases without rebuilding the logic each time. Monitor queues starts with a defined input contract. Typical inputs include arrival rate, processing rate per instance, processing instances, queue capacity, and current queue depth. Keeping these fields explicit reduces ambiguity and makes every run easier to audit. The workflow then applies calculate system utilization by comparing arrival rate to total processing capacity across all instances, predict average queue length based on utilization and number of instances using multi-server queuing models, calculate average wait time in queue by applying Little's law to predicted queue length and arrival rate, calculate probability that queue reaches full capacity given current utilization and queue size, and recommend minimum number of instances needed to maintain 70% target utilization with current arrival and processing rates. This keeps the process deterministic, reviewable, and aligned with how technology teams actually make decisions. Monitor queues returns structured outputs such as contention severity, system utilization, average wait time, saturation probability, and queue depth analysis. These outputs are designed to support review, reporting, comparison, and follow-up actions. The value of monitor queues is not just automation. It is a controlled way to turn repeated technology work into a documented business process with clear inputs, transparent logic, and reusable outputs.